Hello everybody. This is Jerry. So just today I went to Kroger's to buy some supplies to make some salsa, and as you can see, I got cilantro and I got hot peppers and a bunch of stuff. I bought a bunch of stuff. But the thing that pissed me off is that when I got home, I started looking through the list to see how much everything costs. And this is one thing that I recommend y'all doing whenever you do some shopping. Look at the list to see if they put everything right or not. Sometimes I tend to be looking at the register to see everything, but this time I was in a hurry, so I was not looking. Plus, you know, I had other stuff. I was dealing with putting the sodas on the scanner and all that stuff so she can scan it. But anyways, I got 5 limes. There they are. I got 5 little limes that they're supposed to cost 5 for $1, and this lady charged me 79 cents. So at the end, they end up charging me 3.95 instead of charging me $1. So now I have to go back to the store and complain so this can get corrected. And just today I use 2 limes for my salsa. And there's my salsa right there. It's nice. I always love salsa with my tacos or other stuff, or just a snack on it. It's real delicious. Um, I don't know how to make stuff. I don't know how to cook, but there's a lot of recipes in the internet that if you don't even have the skills to cook or make food or stuff like that, uh, you can be surprised. It can be super easy. And this is like salsa from restaurants. It tastes almost the same. Uh, it's better than buying it, in the store already made, which it doesn't taste nothing as the salsa that people make at home or the salsa in restaurants. And this salsa right here is real good, real good. I just went into YouTube, check out some videos, and this lady, she had some great ideas, what to put in there, and I try it, and it tastes delicious. But anyways, the lady thought that these were big limes. They look pretty big, but the other ones, they're a little bit bigger. So she should have investigated a little bit better and asked me if these were 5 for $1 or they were the big ones. And I could show her. Maybe she was new, I don't know. But my point is here, if you go to the store and you don't look at your receipt, you just pay your money, you can end up losing money right there. Right there, to me, they owe me $2.95 plus, the taxes that they charge for the lime, so minus that. But still, I need to go to the store. Maybe I will do it today or tomorrow, I don't know when, and complain, and at the same time I'm wasting gas. So if I go to the store, I have to go buy something else. But because of this, if I go to the store, I'm probably gonna waste $2 of gas or so. So it's a lose situation for me unless I buy something. And I'm pretty sure I need a bunch of stuff from the store, so and I'm gonna end up buying some stuff. But I'm gonna get my money's back on that. I'm not gonna let this slip by. All right, guys, this is Jerry. If you have comments, put them below. If this has happened to you, and like I said, lately it has been happening a lot to me, like with the lawyer case, they haven't worked on my case for over a month and stuff like that. So from experience, I'm learning to check on people's work instead of relying on them. Like I said, this is Jerry. Thanks for watching my videos. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will catch you next time.